Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to insert accent mark in Word 2016. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert accent marks. Firstly go to the insert menu. Then click symbol option, then choose more symbol. Then click the symbol and click font normal text, then click subset and select the Latin extended additional. Then you can see here many accent letters or sign. Now I insert some sign. Then insert it and close the window. Now we can see here we insert accent mark very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.